Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Guys, so I'm back with another review, and before I even begin, before I even tell you guys the name, just know that this will be a giveaway as well. I think I'm definitely going to be giving this away, so check the description box down below. Check the comment section, sorry, down below. I will leave the giveaway rules down there, and once you comment, you'll be automatically entered into the giveaway, but you have to, you know, read the rules and follow the rules, of course. You'll be automatically entered, and it will be announced this upcoming Friday in the giveaway announcement video that will be up at 6 p.m. okay, so this Friday at 6 p.m. the giveaway announcement video will be up. Please make sure to watch the giveaway announcement video if you are going to participate in any of the giveaways that I have this week. All right, and don't forget, Thursday morning I will be going live at 11 a.m. and I will be giving away some wigs as well, so if you want more chances to win, you can definitely participate in the Thursday morning live giveaways. And the Thursday live giveaways and the regular weekly giveaways have nothing to do with each other, so you can win both on the Thursday morning live and you can win the regular weekly giveaways as well. So like I said, for more chances to win, make sure to tune in at 11 a.m. every Thursday morning, and set your alarm because YouTube do not send notifications anymore. I don't know why, but make sure to set your alarm. But anyway, let's get into the review. So this wig that I'm wearing here is by Outre. This is one of the EveryWear lace front wigs, and I have every 12 here. I have her in the color number 2. Now last week I reviewed one of them. I think it was the every 10. One second, I have some more here. No, it wasn't the every 10. I can't remember, okay. I cannot remember. Oh no, I think it was the every 11. Yes, I reviewed every 11 last week. I have 16, 13, 14 and 10 I think coming up this week, so there's a lot that they came out with. I didn't get a chance to review, so I'm reviewing them right now. So like I said, this one is in the color number 2, and of course this is an HD transparent lace wig. So I did go in with my Ebin New York lace tint spray, these right here, and like I said, everything that I use in the videos I link it in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out, just in case you're wondering what I use in this part, what I use for this, what I use for that. Make sure to check the description box down below. Everything will be linked down there, including the color and stuff that I use. But anyway, I don't even know why I use this lace tint spray, because although this is an HD transparent lace wig, this is not a frontal or a frontal effect lace wig. Like, the hairline is really dense, so you're really not seeing the hairline, so it really makes no sense adding the lace tint spray to this one. I mean, use your discretion. Like, if you're not gonna see the hairline, maybe not add the lace tint spray, because it's a waste of product, and yeah, you're not gonna see the hairline. I still had to go in with my foundation powder just to color the parting space so it blends with my skin complexion, but when it comes to the whole hairline, you're not gonna see it because of how the wig is made up, just of the, you know, the way the style is made and stuff like that. It's covering the hairline, and that's one of the reasons why I didn't add any baby hairs as well. It came with the baby hairs. I decided not to use it because, like I said, the hair covers the hairline, so you're not gonna see it. Save your time, save your products, you know, save your energy, and just leave it as is. But anyway, yeah, so I added a little bit of powder to the part. The parting space could have done with a little bit more tweezing. I would say it could have been a little bit more pre-plucked, but the EveryWear wigs are a little bit more on the reasonably priced side, so you know, don't expect too much. Don't expect a ultra perfect hairline construction on an EveryWear wig. Like, you wouldn't get that, okay? So like I said, it's more reasonably priced, so don't expect too much. You could go in and tweeze it some more if you want to, or you can do like I did and just add some powder to the part and call it a day. It's really up to you. Now, I wish I had my brush. I don't know where my brush is. I can't find it. I usually use a paddle brush when I'm brushing these wigs out, but I don't know where I put mine, and I'm a little bit lazy to search for it. So I used my wide tooth comb, just combed it out and stuff like that, but I think the brush would have done a way better job. But anyway, I didn't get any snags or anything like that, or any tangling. I did get some shedding, but it wasn't too excessive, so keep that in mind. It's pretty good when it comes to, you know, tangling and shedding and stuff like that. And for the cap, you have 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps. It's a regular cap construction, nothing much to it. I would say about medium in cap size. And this is what the stock card looks like. Of course, it comes in so many other pretty colors. I think it comes in the amber. Does it? Let me see. No, it doesn't come in any amber. It comes in honey brown. That's the color on the stock card right here. That's the honey brown here. This is the number 2. It comes in hazelnut as well. I'll leave all the colors in the description box down below so you can check that out. And don't forget, I'll leave a link down there, so just in case you want to purchase it, maybe you don't want to participate in the giveaway, or maybe you just prefer a different color, you can definitely click on the link. It will take you directly to the unit on the website. You can choose a color, purchase from there. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees as well, so you could add heat to the hair. It's a light yaki hair texture, so you adding the heat to it wouldn't really change the texture of the hair, so that's pretty good. But I love the volume. I think it's pretty good like this. You know, this is all length, this is all the hair to the front, this is everything. Okay, this is all you're gonna get right here, and I think it's cute. It's a perfect everyday wear, just like the name says, everyday wear. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway, and if you do want to purchase, the link is in the description box down there. But thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.